Hey everybody, today we will talk about the setInterval method. The setInterval method repeatedly calls a function after a specified time delay. You can stop it by using the clearInterval method. Let me give you a super easy example. Imagine we're creating something called a hello function. Inside this hello function, I want to show the message hello world. To do this, we can use the console.log command and the message hello world. Now, outside the function, let's use another method called setInterval. Inside the setInterval function, we need to provide two things. First, we put the hello function, but don't use parentheses with hello. The second thing is the time. I want the hello world message to appear after 2 minutes, and we know that 2 minutes is the same as 2000 milliseconds. So, we wait for 1000 and 2000 milliseconds before showing the message. Every 2 seconds, the setInterval function keeps calling the hello function repeatedly. You can see the number is running with the hello world. Hello function is calling repeatedly. Now, let's see how we can stop it. Let's create a variable using the let keyword. The name of the variable will be timer ID. The setInterval function gives us an ID and we have stored it in this timer ID. We have the clearInterval function. Pass timer ID here. You can see nothing appears on the console. This is because we stopped the execution using the clearInterval method. To move further, let's remove this code. Let me show you another example. Create a variable named countdown and set it equal to 1. Let's create a function. Its name will be updateTimer. Inside this function I will use the if statement. Set the condition such as countdown less than equal to 10. If this condition is true, then the code written inside it will execute. I will use the console.log command. Here, write the text timer plus countdown variable. In the next line, increment by 1 in the countdown. This code will show the countdown value 10 times. Now, let's add the else part. If the condition is false, this part will execute. Use the clearInterval method and pass the ID here. But first, we need to store the ID in a variable that returns from the setInterval. Let's create a variable named timerInterval. Set it equal to the setInterval method. And pass this updateTimer function here. This function will continuously call after a 1 second time delay. Now, use this variable in the clearInterval method. After that, display a message using console.log. The message will be like, timer reached 10. Countdown stopped. If I save this program, it will show timer 1, timer 2, up to timer 10. Then, at the end, it will display the message timer reached 10 and countdown stopped. If you find it helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for updates on future videos.